Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a beautiful and simple coaster that will brighten up any space, perfect for your coffee cup or even as a cute gift. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this project is super fun and relaxing. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun crochet tutorials. For round 1, we start with a magic ring. Into the ring, work 2 double crochet and 1 chain. Repeat this 8 times in total. You should have 8 groups when you're done. Take your time to adjust the ring tight, and don't worry if it feels a little tricky. Just relax and enjoy the process. Remember, practice makes perfect. Great job finishing round 1. Now let's move on to round 2. For round 2, in each chain space, work 3 double crochet and 1 chain and repeat this 8 times all around. You'll see the circle starting to take shape. Tip: keep your stitches loose enough so it's easy to work into the spaces. Amazing! Your coaster is growing beautifully. Let's continue with round 3. In this round, into each chain space, you will work 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Repeat this 8 times. This will help create a lovely scalloped edge. If you like, you can gently flatten your work with your hands to see the shape better as you go. Wonderful. I hope you're proud of yourself so far. Now, on to round 4. For round 4, into each 2 chain space, make 7 double crochet. Repeat this in every space all the way around. You'll see beautiful rounded petals forming. Take your time to enjoy this part. It's really satisfying to watch it bloom. Look at that, you're doing amazing. Let's keep going with round 5. In this round, we'll switch to single crochet for a neat edge. Work 7 single crochet into each petal and then 1 single crochet in between petals. Repeat this pattern all around. This will define the shape nicely. Tip: keep an even tension to make sure your coaster stays flat. Great effort so far. Ready for round 6? Let's do it. Here, we will make a nice textured round. The pattern is 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase. That means 3 double crochet in separate stitches, then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Keep repeating the sequence around. It's okay to pause and count stitches to make sure you're on track. You're almost done. Just a couple more rounds to go. Let's head into round 7. This round is super simple, just single crochet into every stitch all around. This helps smooth out the edges and give a clean finish. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and enjoy this easy row. You've made it so far, well done. Now, let's add a decorative touch in round 8. For this final round, we will do a beautiful shell border. The pattern is 1 single crochet, skip 1 stitch, 5 double crochet in next stitch, skip 1 stitch, and repeat this 20 times around. These little shells give a lovely lacy edge. Tip: as you make the 5 double crochet cluster, give them a little space so they sit nicely. And that's it. You've just made a gorgeous coaster. Great job. You can block it if you want to make it perfectly flat, or leave it as is for a more natural look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with friends who love crochet. I'd love to see your finished coasters, so feel free to tag me on social media. Thanks so much for crocheting with me today, and see you in the next video.